Hi friends, if you spend any time on YouTube lately, your feed is probably flooded with wild headlines. Other channels are pushing massive misinformation and false claims about your retirement benefits just to get clicks. That is exactly why I made this video. We are cutting straight through the noise to get to the absolute bottom of what is true and what is false, so you can stop overpaying on fixed income bills. And don't worry, I am going to show you the exact official links on screen so you can grab these savings directly. Before we expose the very first bill, hit that subscribe button right now. We are seeing changes to 2026 Medicare and Social Security rules almost weekly. Other channels are going to try and sell you fear based on these changes, but our community stays ahead of the game with just the facts before those official government deadlines vanish. All right, let's dive into Bill number 1. Bill number 1 is the standard Medicare Part B premium, which is sitting at $202.90 this year. Every single month, you watch that money get pulled straight out of your Social Security check before you even get to see it. Now, we have seen reports all over Facebook and YouTube claiming there is a secret government refund, or that Medicare is just canceling this premium for everyone. Is this true? The verdict? Half true. There is no secret refund check, and it is certainly not canceled for everyone. However, if your income falls below a certain threshold, state-run Medicare savings programs, specifically one called the QMB program, are legally required to pay this entire premium for you. But here's the catch the government doesn't tell you. This savings is absolutely not automatic. Nobody is going to call you to set this up. To stop these deductions, you have to bypass the aggressive third-party sales hotlines completely. Here is your exact action step. Go directly to Medicare.gov. or call 1-800-MEDICARE. Tell the official representative you want to apply for a Medicare savings program, and they will connect you with your specific state's Medicaid office to get the correct paperwork mailed to you today. Let's move on to Bill number 2, prescription drug costs. You might think that because you have Medicare Part D, you are fully covered. But I know so many of you are still paying high deductibles and ridiculous copays every single month right at the pharmacy counter. We've seen shady online ads claiming that a new 2026 law gives all seniors a free flex card that wipes out all pharmacy costs. Are you just forced to pay these prices if you don't have this magic card? The verdict? Half true. Those flex card ads are usually bait-and-switch marketing tactics used by insurance brokers. The actual legal truth is a federal program called Extra Help, also known as the Low-Income Subsidy. If you qualify, this single federal program caps your prescription drug copays at just a few dollars and completely eliminates your monthly Part D premium. That adds up to thousands back in your pocket. To qualify for Extra Help this year, your monthly income must be below $2,200 for a single individual. Here is your exact action step. Do not click on random internet ads to claim this. Go directly to the official Social Security website at ssa.gov or call them at 1-800-772-1213 to apply for Extra Help today. Moving on to Bill number 3. This is the one hitting your feeds daily, the massive rumor that every senior on Social Security is getting an extra $1,200 stimulus check this month. The verdict? 100% false. Congress has not passed any new stimulus checks, and the Social Security Administration is not sending out extra monthly payments. These fake reports usually twist official news about the annual cost of living adjustment, or they are just pure clickbait trying to trap you into giving away your personal information. Here is your secure action step. Log into your official My Social Security account at ssa.gov to check your true benefit status and completely ignore any third-party websites asking for your personal banking information. It only takes a few minutes to check your real dashboard directly, giving you complete peace of mind without risking your private data. Now let's look at Bill number 4. There's a massive rumor circulating online that the government is handing out automatic $10,000 grants to wipe out your utility bills completely. The verdict? 100% false. The federal government does not issue automatic $10,000 grants to clear your personal utility bills. No such law has passed. However, there is a legitimate program called LIHEAP, the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program. It provides real help to cover heating and cooling costs if you meet specific state income limits. Here is your exact, secure action step. To find help, never trust a random phone call or text message. Go directly to the official government portal at energyhelp.us to find the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program for your state. If you prefer to call, dial the official National Energy Assistance Referral Hotline at 1-866-674-6327. Remember, official government agencies will never demand immediate payment or promise unapproved windfalls over a text message. Your hard-earned retirement savings belong to you, not internet scammers. Here at National Benefit Defender, we read the actual legislation so you don't have to. Hit that subscribe button below to stay safe, informed, and protect your retirement. Finally, we arrive at bill number 5, and for homeowners, this is the biggest one of all: property taxes. If you own your home, you might think you just have to accept rising tax bills year after year, with the fear of the county eventually taking your home. You've probably seen rumors that the federal government is passing a law to freeze all senior property taxes in 2026. Is this true? The verdict? False. There is no federal law saving you here. Property taxes are strictly local. But the good news is that almost every single state has localized senior exemptions, property tax freezes, or circuit breaker programs that drastically cut your tax bill. The catch? The county assessor is never going to knock on your door and offer you a discount. You have to demand it. Here is your final action step. Go to Google and type in your specific county name, followed by the words Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026. Alternatively, just call your county assessor's office directly and ask them what tax relief programs exist for seniors in your zip code. It takes one phone call, and it is the only thing standing between you and keeping thousands of dollars of your own equity. Now wait, before you close this video and start making phone calls, listen very closely. Because you are actively looking for these programs, you are now a massive target for identity thieves. When you search for these programs online, scammers buy ads that look exactly like official government sites. The moment you type in your zip code and phone number, your information is sold to dozens of aggressive call centers. This is why you must only use the exact.gov websites and official 1-800 numbers I've given you today. If a website asks for your Medicare number just to show you a brochure, close the page immediately. Now let's address another critical area that many seniors ask about. What happens to these benefits if you are married, or if you have recently lost a spouse? For married couples, federal income thresholds don't just double, they expand to account for shared assets. And if you are a survivor, you can often switch to a deceased spouse's earnings history if it gives you a higher baseline. Whether you are applying as a single, a couple, or a survivor, the real power happens when you combine those specific protections with the 5 bills we just exposed. Let's look at the actual math. If you stack these programs together, saving $200 on Part B, plus dropping your drug costs down to just $5 per prescription, you are stopping a massive leak in your monthly budget. Add in direct utility grants from LIHEAP and a senior property tax freeze, and we are talking about adding $300 to $500 of real cash back into your monthly checking account. Let me show you exactly what this looks like in real life. Meet Linda. She is 68 years old, single, and living on a fixed monthly income of $1,400. Right now, Linda is quietly hemorrhaging money every single month. $200 vanishing from her Social Security check before she even sees it. $80 at the pharmacy counter. A utility bill that keeps climbing. But the moment Linda makes 3 phone calls and files 2 forms, everything changes. Her Part B premium disappears completely. Her prescriptions drop to $5. Her utility company gets paid directly on her behalf. But here's what happens if Linda does nothing. Every single month she waits, she is handing over $400 that legally belongs in her pocket. That is nearly $5,000 a year. Gone. Quietly. Without a single notice from anyone. Here is something most people don't realize. LIHEAP funding is strictly first come, first served. When the money runs out for the year, it is completely gone until the next cycle. And several Medicare Savings Program windows reset annually. Every day you wait is a day someone else is claiming the funding that could have been yours. So let's bring this all together. 5 bills, 5 programs, Medicare Part B covered by QMB, prescriptions slashed by extra help, utility bills paid directly by LIHEAP, the IRMAA surcharge eliminated by Form SSA 44, and property taxes frozen by your county exemption. Before you go, I have dropped every single official website and phone number mentioned in this video directly into the description below. Every link goes to a verified.gov source. No third parties, no sales traps, just the real thing. If this video helped you today, please do me one favor, share it. Pass it along to someone you know who is on Medicare or Social Security, a parent, a neighbor, a friend. One simple conversation or one shared video can completely change someone's financial situation for years to come. Here at National Benefit Defender, we read the actual legislation, so you never have to. Hit that subscribe button below right now and turn on notifications so you never miss another update that could put real money back in your pocket. Stay safe out there, and we will see you in the next one.